Save your digital files and original photos and videos to the privacy of your home and access them from anywhere on your mobile or PC with Kwilt. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply plug the included USB key or any size hard drive into your Kwilt device at home. Then save all of your files, photos, and videos from anywhere in the world anytime you want. Access the existing content from your home drives and share them on the go with the Kwilt app. Kwilt is your best alternative to cloud storage. Original resolution, instant sharing, home privacy, no storage limits, and no monthly fees. There are 2 Kwilt models to choose from to best fit your needs. Kwilt 2 offers fast Ethernet and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as an SD card reader for direct photo and video transfer. The Kwilt 3 has all of the features of the Kwilt 2 and is our most powerful device to date. It boasts Gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, super-fast processors, and USB 3 connectivity. Kwilt, get yours today.